Alright, next we're going to install the ejector and the... I really forget what the silver thing is, but they're supposed to be sandwiched together. I'll get to that later anyway. So, you want to do the same thing here. You want to insert it this way. And again, big hole, line it all up. So we're going to install it here. Like so. Just kind of guide everything into place. And then I want to take a small punch and just see this little hole here. I need to align these all together as well. So I'm going to kind of drive that there like that. And then line this up. And then what I'm going to do is take, this is the hammer axle pin. All these assemblies that we just installed to this point are going to line up with the shaft on this pin. So I'm going to insert it. Just kind of manipulate things a little bit. Get everything all aligned. And then try to get things aligned over here as well. Like this little ejector pin thingy, my bobber, whatever, right here. So you see it's not lined up right now in there. So I'm going to try to just kind of manipulate some things until the pin goes through. Perfect. And that's how you install the pin.